Hey guys, Farida here with Fashion by Faith Iman, doing a quick video on our How to Be in the Moment series. As you guys saw, deep breath, because this year is stressful. As I seek to develop different layers of building and coordinating our new business strategies and being consistent with some of our old business strategies, while schooling 3 kids and potty training a toddler, I have been, needless to say, stressed. Okay, so, and the stress comes from all sorts of avenues and triggers, whether it be health, mental, physical, emotional, or spiritual triggers. And I am very much aware of my triggers, and I do journal them and take care of different nuances. However, there's just some time in life where you just cannot seem to grasp what is stressing you out and why you're so stressed, but you still have to do a large amount of work. And so here's some tips and tricks on how to not only manage that stress, but balance out the work and get the still the same results you would want to get in any other day. Number one, maybe it's hard. I don't know why it's so difficult. But the ability to be honest with yourself on what you're not only attracting, but what you're giving out and putting out every day. Sometimes we have this ideal of ourselves, and it's great to have goals for yourself, but the ideal is sometimes so far-fetched than what we're actually taking the action steps to produce. Or for example, we might think we can write a book in 24 hours, which just can't be done, the start of it. But we also have to, again, homeschool 2 kids, or you have to be at work from 9 to 5. Okay, so that does push what it actually you're able to do in the time frame. So just being honest and realistic with yourself and setting up goals and aspirations in a strategic timeline where maybe you do one powerful thing a week for yourself, your business, or your freelance project, in comparison to trying to push everything into the day-to-day week in their lifestyle. Number two is a big one, and something I still have to struggle with and work on in different layers of my life, is seeking the right kind of help. Now, there's different people who are always going to be mentors or friends and family members who are going to give you some feedback on things they see you going through. But again, if you are going to be an author and you have anyone in your circle who is an author, you have to seek the right validation, the right type of mentorship from the right type of people. You cannot ask a person who is constantly negative for positive feedback, for example, which I see a lot of people doing when they want to start their coaching or their image consultant or things that they want to do for themselves. They have a negative feedback, and they kind of hinder them from going forward, or they have some kind of negativity in their mind, because again, you're talking to people, you're getting feedback from people who haven't lived the nuances and things that you want to do or live in your life. So definitely look to seek the right kind of help and support, and look to see, and it might be online, it might be in a physical setting, like a mosque or a church or something that you can get some feedback. But seek the right type of groups and have multiple groups. I think one of the biggest things that helped me just throughout my last few years is transitioning from working for myself, growing a business, having a baby, while getting a divorce, while transitioning to being a single mom. Was honestly gathering my inner strengths and just knowing what my strengths were. Going back to the first thing is just kind of like being honest with yourself, but on the different end of a spectrum. When you know your strengths, it allows you to kind of pick and choose things that come to you in your life that you can really give your energy to, and you don't feel so burnt out, so stressed out and tired. And then it allows you to say no to things that don't serve you for your higher purpose or your goals in life. Like I said, everything is not for everyone, and it's just a matter of knowing where you stand, and especially at that particular time of your life, because again, something can come up that is good for you in a year, but it's not good for you right now. As always, guys, share, like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate y'all. We're going to be digging deep into some quick little tips and tricks all throughout these series, and things that I use within my image consultant coaching and cuisine kits and our different training modules. And I definitely appreciate you guys watching. If you have something that you want to speak about or comment below, or things that you would like to see in a video, as always, you can join us at fashion.ed/iman.com. And that's where you will find your free link for 2 week of our Welcome Week Academy. And you'll get to access our portion of our app for free. And as you go further to book your services, you have a ton of these different resources and helps helpful tips and tricks and training within the modules. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings. Stop stressing.